Hey everyone, I just wanted a minute to explain the inquiry projects. So the inquiry project is going to be modified given the fact that everything is modified right now. And I did put the new assignment description for the inquiry project under assignment descriptions. Again, your screen will look a little different, but here's the updated inquiry project. And really, I just want you to do two things. I wanted you to have a question, something that you were curious about, something that interested you that relates to literacy, and maybe something we talked about or something you read about or something you saw in the classroom even though you weren't there much. And then I want you to just do a little digging about it. Look up two sites, see if you can find out any information. I'd like you to have at least two different sources on this. And then I want you to post your question and what you learned on a Padlet. It's that simple. I actually doesn't have to, a paragraph would do. And if you've seen Padlet, you don't want too much text. I actually gave you the link to a Padlet from Casco Bay that students shared with me earlier this year. And I just wanted you to see what this looked like. Of course, now it won't load, but there we go. So each student these are just some of their projects that they put together. So just here's their topic and here's just a little summary about their topic. And that's basically, some of them use pictures, some of them did click to more of a Google Doc kind of thing or a slideshow. But this is kind of what a Padlet looks like. So all I want you to do, let me take this one out, is you're going to get a link, and here's the link to our Padlet for this class. And actually, I'm doing this for two different classes. So EDU 382, this is what yours looks like. EDU 206, yours is going to look a little different. I'll have a different background. And all you're going to do is, do you see this little check, or I guess it's a plus down here? When you click on it, you type what you want. You can add a photo, you can add a link, you can go add a Google site, you can do all of these things. You can add a video, you can add a photo, you can just voice, well, it says it's not supported to voice it, but probably because right now I'm doing a screencast. So there are a lot of different ways to do that, and then you just hit submit. I'm going to hit trash because I don't want this one on here. And that's it. That's what you're going to do. So for the last week of class, and hopefully this board will be filled with questions and answers. That's simple. Hope this helps.